That satisfying crack when you pop a pill isn't an accident. Ever noticed how some things break with a loud pop and others just tear quietly, like paper? It's all about how materials handle stress. So what's the real science behind your blister pack's dramatic snap? Why is that plastic dome basically designed to be a tiny bit brittle? And how does the foil backing play its part? Uncover the secrets of brittle fracture, stress concentration, and why bending it fast makes all the difference. All the fascinating material science deets are waiting for you at CuriosityAnswered.com.